In 2016, Ito celebrates its 100th year in business. Although times have changed, since the foundation in 1916, we have always kept one corporate philosophy. The philosophy practiced by Kenji Ito, the founder of Ito. The spirit of altruism. Altruism is thinking and acting for the sake of others more than yourself. It is also known as the practice of bodhisattva. At our 100th anniversary, we have set a corporate mission, and it is the quest for electrotherapy agents in physical therapy. Filled with passion to create a healthier society by providing our devices to more people, we dedicate ourselves in pursuit of our dream. We would now like to introduce our 100 years of history and our challenges for the future. Prioritizing healing the people rather than selling the product. Kenji Ito pursued the forefront development of electrotherapeutic devices. In 1911, he moved from Ehime Prefecture to Tokyo and entered the Iwashiya Iwamoto Engineering Company. It was the largest medical device company in Japan at that time. This led him to dedicate his life in developing medical equipment. He then went on to study electrophysiology at Stanford University. With his return in 1916, he established Tokyo Medical Science Electric Company Limited, the predecessor of Ito Company Limited. Kenji succeeded in developing a whole new series of products, such as Japan's first AC-type X-ray machine and violet ray therapeutic device called Radio Layer. In 1922, he built the radio broadcast transmitter and radio receiver, contributing to the establishment of Japanese radio broadcasting. While he was developing a series of new products, his concern wasn't on attaining patents, but to widely share resources. All for the sake of others. His way of life clearly symbolizes the spirit of altruism. In 1934, Kenji reached another turning point. A German doctor, Dr. Erwin Schlephake, published a paper stating that shortwave is an effective energy means of healing. Reviewing this paper, Kenji immediately launched a project to make a shortwave therapeutic device. After uphill struggles, he finally succeeded in developing Japan's first shortwave therapeutic device. He then published Therapeutic Shortwave Treatment to help spread his knowledge, contributing in the installment of the shortwave therapeutic devices in university hospitals and medical institutions all throughout Japan. Kenji's continuous efforts promoted him into producing smaller shortwave devices, which eventually led him to develop medical equipment for home use. This presented a great success, and shortwave therapeutic devices became familiar among Japanese people. This success was based on Kenji's thoughts of protecting one's own health not solely with the help of medicine. In other words, the idea of self-medication. In 1946, Kenji established Ito Physiotherapy Research Institute Company Limited. He brought out new products including the electrocardiogram and electroencephalograph. Then in 1950, he succeeded in developing a low-frequency electrotherapy device. Kenji had an unwavering belief that electrotherapy agents bring out natural healing power, which greatly contributes to human health. His beliefs contributed to the establishment of the Japan Human Body Radiation Therapy Association, which is now known as the Institute of Japan Therapeutic Apparatus. Kenji traveled all over Japan, lecturing to promote awareness and spread the new knowledge of electrotherapy.
昔は結核あるいは急性疾患炎症で死亡する人間がトップでありましたが、最近は抗生物質その他のいい薬ができまして、急性疾患あるいは肺結核の大きいものは全国死亡率の第1位までに下がりまして。
Then, in 1957, the company reorganized into Ito Company Limited. In 1968, Ito adopts a divisional form of organization and establishes the medical division and a division for home use aimed for the private consumer. In order to meet the increasing demands for electrotherapy devices, Ito had finished constructing the new company building in 1971, functioning as the headquarters of operations located in Nerima Ward, Tokyo. His life work finally reaches its final stages.
どうか国民に健康を増進するようにお願いしたいと。この間も地方から今度の問題で我々の仕事がだいぶ認められてきたという通信をいただいたんですが、どうかこの際皆様がこの国民保険の上において大いに貢献していただきたいと思うのであります。
Living up to the true spirit of altruism, Kenji lived his life for the happiness of others. He never stopped to pursue new development of electrotherapy devices until his death on May 3, 1972, at the age of 87. There were words Kenji used to say in his later years. In 1977, a portable low-frequency electrotherapy device, Dr. Pulse, was developed. It helped to provide a foothold for Ito to fully start overseas trade and advance into the world. In 1983, the Research and Development Center was established. It consolidates R&D technologies for both medical and home use, set for comprehensive research and development. Then in 1989, Ito integrated the Nerima and Hakusan factories into one big facility in Tsukuba. This created a better environment for production and has developed into the system we are adopting today. These improvements in the management system played an important role in molding development seen today. In 1994, the Shanghai office opened in China, and 4 years later, the Hanoi office in Vietnam. Based on specific and regional market research, the optimum concept and design which matched consumer needs were attained. And now, Ito has expanded business all across the globe. Not just in the medical field, but with intentions to expand our cultivated expertise towards the sports field, in 1999, Ito started supporting activities for professional athletes. We've welcomed Olympic judo gold medalist Tadahiro Nomura as the brand ambassador, professional baseball player Hisashi Iwakuma and Kenta Maeda as spokes-athletes of the company. We will continue to support many sports organizations, such as the All Japan Judo Federation and Japan Association of Athletics Federations, and actively contribute to the sports field. In 2004, the Reliability Control Center was established within the Tsukuba factory complex. The center boasts capability of highly advanced tests, inspection, verification, and measuring. To deliver high-quality products, we are certified for ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and the Environmental Management System Policy ISO 14001. Our products have also passed strict quality standards and specifications such as CE marking, FDA, and UL. Cooperating with both the international and national research institutes, we will continue to improve and develop new products. Furthermore, we will take up the challenge to create new values in physiotherapy. "100 years since the foundation in 1916, Ito has been developing numerous physiotherapy products. Each of us harboring the spirit of altruism that Kenji devoted his life to. We will continue to create new values in physiotherapy. For every customer, now and forever."